Okay guys, welcome sa channel. In this video ay may konting update lang tayo about sa Pixelverse. So meron silang bagong event ngayon, kakalabas lang. So giveaway, we're announcing the second stage of our giveaway for the coming week from June 17 to June 23rd. We're doubling the reward and now raffling of 220,000 USDT. Oh, grabe. Napakagalante ng Pixel. Between the top 500 of the weekly leaderboard and 500 participants who invite at least 4 people in the week. So, ayun. Don't try to abuse the system. We keep track of the cheaters. Okay? So, ayun. Namibigay pala sila ng 220,000 USDT. No? Sa nasa top 500 sa weekly leaderboard at sa 500 participants na maka-invite at least 4 people sa loob ng week, sa loob ng June 17 to June 23rd. Okay? So, yun. Ang ganda ng update nila. So, yun lang. Quick update para sa Pixelverse and God bless.